Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. Wanted to put this quick video together for you, kind of give you some tips and tricks on your website. The overall layout of your site looks great. You do have some content on here. We generally recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. Google wants to see those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing in organically in the content on your site. It's not the only way to get found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. Also, I see you've got your map embedded here. That is a great plus. Google really likes to know that you truly are a local business, so putting the map in there definitely helps. So I did pop you into one of our SEO tools here. Your title tag and your H1 tag are probably two of the most important things that Google's going to look at right off the bat. So your title tag, you've got cell phone repair, Albuquerque, NM. I generally flip that around. I put the city first. So I would do Albuquerque, cell phone repair, and then a dash, and then your company name. Get that in there for branding. So just flip that around a little bit. But realistically, I've already looked. Your site's not ranking bad. I'm kind of one of those guys, if it's not broke, don't fix it. If you start making a lot of changes, you're gonna drop for a little while. It will come back up, but as Google relearns your website, you are gonna drop for a little while. So if you're happy where you're at, don't fix it. But just kind of depends on what you want to do with it. Your H1 tag, you've got two that are showing up. You're only supposed to have one, and we can go in here and see if we can find them on this site. Generally, they're up here at the top. My scroller's not doing well. So this is your first H1 tag here, and then this is a second H1 tag. So you want to remove the H1 tag from one of those. This really isn't a keyword, so I would not make that an H1 tag. If you want to leave this one as your H1 tag, it's not a bad H1 tag to have, but I would just do like Albuquerque NM phone repair or cell phone repair. Keep it super short and simple. Where you're located and what you do. It builds that clear communication with Google so they know what you want to be found for. I did pull up some of the other guys here in the area. You are showing up here in the map pack, top of the map pack. This guy's paying for an ad to be there. So that's great that you're right here. You are number one organically in the map pack. You're also, for the particular keyword that I typed in, number 3 organically. So like I said, you're not doing bad. But this here is the title tag for all of these companies, this blue line. And their meta tag is what's right here below that. So you do want to get some keywords into that meta tag too. But like I said, with this, you're not doing bad. Again, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But I would change out this title tag and do Albuquerque NM cell phone repair or just phone repair and then a dash in your company name. And you can see that most of these up here, cell phone repair Albuquerque, mobile phone repair Albuquerque, cell phone repair Albuquerque. They all say what they do and where they're located, which does kind of show you the importance of that. This right here looks like this is probably your Facebook page. For a Facebook page to be ranking on page 1 shows that there's not a ton of strong SEO competition in your area. So I put you into one of our other tools here. This video is going a little longer than normal, but there's a lot of information in here. These are the keywords that you are currently ranking for, the search volume that is being searched, and your current position on Google. So just kind of wanted to show you that. I do like these keywords. I call them generic. It says where you're at, what you do. It's super simple. So, like I said, you're doing well. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But if you do need some help, feel free to reach out. I will talk to you later. Thank you.